Hi, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome back. Thanks for watching to my subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. It's nice to have a few. Today I have the Eachine E013 quadcopter, and now people are saying drone. I could go on and on for hours about quadcopters, but this is just going to be an unboxing video, so I'll spare all of the commentary and just open the box. Because I was so excited to do. I thought, you know, I'm opening this thing. I bought it from Seller Warehouse on eBay. And the instructions are legible, readable. There's some foam. Let's see, here's the drone itself. Drone has somewhat of a negative connotation, and it's driving the politicians wild. But hey, we just want to have fun. I've been into flight. I didn't want to talk your ear off, but I've been into flight since I was a very young person, so this is awesome. It's all ready to go, pre-made. Comes with a small control. It's about yay big. My hands aren't very big. They're good looking. They're just not real big. And I have this 220 milliamp battery that comes with. I just so happened to put it in there because I knew I was going to need it. So this is the head strap for this FPV box goggle. So this is an all-in-one kit, everything you need. All-in-one is something they use for flight controls and stuff that have features included, but I'm just calling this a combo kit, and it has the goggles. They're probably just barely big enough. This is their economy VR006, where they have 07s all the way up to I think 8 or 9. I think it's 8. But the res isn't bad. It's like 300 by 500, so that's pretty decent. And I've flown with small monitors before, and the glare gets to you. And I've actually, I hate to say it and admit it, but I've just flown with a box over my head. So it's kind of funny they call these box goggles, because I actually started out just putting a box over my head to block the light. Because when everything else is right and that's the only thing wrong, you do what you got to do, especially if nobody's looking. So here's an antenna. It's going to work. It's just a piece of wire that goes up. I think I might have a clover leaf laying around. And here's a little pad. Here's some wipes. They even give you wipes. A couple extra props. USB charging. And a small screwdriver. And a couple decals. So I've got 6 extra batteries. 5 or 6. I think the charger is a 6. The charge is 6, but I have 5 batteries. But then I have this extra battery, the battery that came with it, so I'll have enough batteries. And I'm thinking this takes 2 AA's. That's my best guess. They even give so it's 3 AA's here. And it's nice and new. Don't have to worry about batteries blowing up in it or anything. I enjoy a few used items in my life, so there are things about buying new that are very nice. So like I was saying, I bought this at Seller Warehouse. It took, I don't know, there was a weekend, so that kind of throws the business day counting off. I think it was about 6 or 7 days. It wasn't bad. Came UPS or I think it was DHL or something. So that's it. Now it's a big mess. I'm going to get it going. I'm ready to do that. And maybe I'll have some flight video or something. But that's the unboxing. This is oftentimes called a small pepper. I see why. That's what it says right on the top of the box. Anyway, that's it for now. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching.